Can I replace a linear potentiometer with an LVIT or LVDT directly? The short answer is no. It's usually not a direct swap. Even though all three devices measure linear position, they operate using very different technologies. And those differences affect how they're powered, how they output a signal, and how they're installed. A linear potentiometer is a resistive device. It provides a simple ratiometric DC output, typically something like 0 to 5 volts based on a reference voltage. LVITs and LVDTs are inductive sensors. LVITs are designed for DC operation and provide a conditioned output such as 0 to 5 volts DC, 0 to 10 volts DC, or 4 to 20 milliamps. LVDTs, on the other hand, can be implemented as either AC or DC devices, depending on the design. Some require external signal conditioning, while others include built-in electronics to provide a usable DC output. So even if the output signal looks similar, the wiring and power requirements are usually different. You can't assume the same input will work without verifying compatibility. Potentiometers are simple 3-wire devices, power, ground, and signal, while LVDTs and LVITs require a defined supply voltage, and in some cases, additional electronics. That means your control system needs to be able to support the sensor you're selecting. Another factor to consider is stroke-to-length ratio. Potentiometers are typically compact and have a relatively high ratio of stroke to overall length. LVDTs and LVITs usually require more physical length for the same measurement range, so even if the stroke matches, the sensor itself may not fit in the same space. That often means rethinking the mounting or layout. Environmental conditions are another major consideration. Potentiometers use a mechanical wiper contact. Over time, the contact wears, especially in high cycle or contaminated environments. LVITs and LVDTs operate without internal contact between moving parts. There's no wear mechanism, which makes them better suited for high vibration, contaminated environments, and applications where long service life is critical. So when does a replacement make sense? If your system can accept the sensor's output, provide the proper power, and physically accommodate the sensor, then replacing a potentiometer with an LVIT or LVDT is often very achievable. And in many cases, it's an upgrade. You get longer service life, improved reliability, and more stable output over time. The key is understanding that it's not plug and play. Electrical, mechanical, and environmental factors all must be considered. The bottom line is this: potentiometers, LVITs, and LVDTs may all measure position, but they're not interchangeable devices. If you're considering a replacement and want to make sure it's done right, the HGSI engineering team is here to help you select the best solution for your application. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the bell to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Visit us at hgsind.com for additional pricing and technical questions. Harold G. Chavis Industries. Performance and reliability is our business. Thanks for being on our team.